ending will keep you up all night. And don't forget to subscribe or you will see me in your dreams.
Lily found the antique typewriter at a flea market, enchanted by its vintage charm. That night, she began to type her novel, but the words weren't hers. Tomorrow, red car, broken arm. She dismissed it as a glitch. The next day, her friend was hit by a red car and broke his arm. Shaken, Lily typed again. Midnight, screams, lost. At midnight, she heard screams outside her window and found her cat missing. Terrified, she typed, "Help me." The keys moved on their own. Too late. Her reflection in the darkened window grinned back at her with eyes that weren't hers. The typewriter clacked one final message. "Now you're mine." Lily couldn't move, trapped by unseen chains as the typewriter continued to type, sealing her fate.